Well, I got a frantic phone call yesterday afternoon from Karen. She called to say that Jace had been out here to do chores and a pipe had burst out here on our water system, that the water system that feeds our entire operation here, our watering system for our beef operation, everything. And so there's a pipe burst, and so I told her where the shutoff was, which she secured it pretty quickly. But this morning, we didn't have time yesterday afternoon. We had some really bad weather that rolled in yesterday afternoon, some bad storms. So I didn't have time to really deal with that. But this morning, that's the first thing on the list, is to fix this project. So let me show you, this is what happened. If you can see right here, this is a spigot that we have here. And it's just the PVC is just broken loose from right here. This line, as you can see right here, this black plastic line here is what feeds our entire cow watering system. That's that 3,000 foot line that I have talked about, that goes all the way to the back of our property. So this is a pretty important piece, so we got to make sure we fix this right here this morning. Thankfully, I have everything I need to do this project this morning. I have it on hand. That means I don't have to make a trip to the hardware store first thing this morning, which is good. So I've got some PVC, some 3/4 inch PVC. I've got a union. I've got an 90-degree elbow. I've got my cutters, which we use a lot, and some PVC cement, which, if y'all know anything about this stuff, it goes bad pretty quick, but so I was afraid this was going to be no good, but I've opened it this morning and it is still good to go. So no trip to town this morning to handle this project. So the first thing we got to do is I've got to remove this broken piece with this fitting. There we go, it's trash. And really, it was that quick. This is the new fitting here. If you've done this kind of project before, you know it's fairly easy to fix once you, as long as you have all the right tools, which we happen to have everything here. We keep fittings like this, unions, pieces of PVC, elbows. We keep this stuff around because we use the PVC around the farm a lot. So we had everything that we needed this morning, and it's an easy fix. So we'll go ahead and get ready to go move the cows. Now that we've got that spigot fixed, we can go back and turn on the water that supplies this line. Water is now turned back on, and we have no leaks, and so we are back in business. We just got back in from chores and I smell something cooking in the kitchen. You smell that, Jace? Breakfast time. Smell bacon. Same as that bacon good? Thumbs up. Good bacon. Bacon, eggs, Jace. Good bacon. Eggs, bacon, yum. Thank you to the farmer's wife, Miss Katie. She had a wonderful breakfast ready for us when we got back in from farm chores.